So Jesus is not who you think he is. Now, what does that do for most people? It immediately brings shock because we've been taught for so many years, whether you are a quote Christian or you're of another religion, people have given homage to this name of this person that they call Jesus. The question is that really who you think he is? Is it that you think that a person named Jesus is the savior of the world? And I'm going to present to you today having an incredible amount of empathy, but also an incredible amount of responsibility. So Jesus is not.
I really wanted to see the rest of the video. That's all I got. That's all I got for that video. But let's just talk about it a little bit, okay? I'm not gonna talk about this too much because we've talked about this so many times in the past. And then I have a video coming out about this because I seen somebody making a video about something, and I was like, okay, I gotta talk about this video. I gotta make a video about this. I gotta talk about this. And then yeah, so I can honestly, you know, it's like the whole world is worshiping that name. We've talked about this name again. We've talked about this name in the past so many times. And then we're gonna talk about this forever. Okay, we are gonna talk about this forever. I just want to give some clues to people out there, anybody out there. Okay, I'm gonna give you some clues. This is not, look, trying to convince the whole world that the name of the Messiah was never Jesus. It's like trying to empty the ocean. Think about it, okay? It's like trying to empty the ocean. Like you literally going to the ocean and with your bucket and trying to empty that and trying to process it a little bit, okay? So whatever the videos that we're making, that we are using the scriptures, we are using whatever we are using, okay, trying to put out there for the people, we are not trying to convince anybody. That is not our jobs, okay? Sorry. That is not our jobs to convince people. We do not convince anybody. And you know, back then, I used to argue with people. I used to, you know, talk, I talk. But with time, I understood a lot of things, man. I understood a lot of things. And then anyway, this is my advice to anybody out there. The goal is not to convince people. When you know the truth and you know that it is the truth, you're not trying to convince people. You're not trying to get people to agree with you. That is not the point. That is not the goal of these videos. Because sometimes I see people in the comments saying the things that I say. It is not the goal of these videos. We are not trying to convince anybody. See, the Ruach HaKodesh does that. And he does not force you to be convinced. You have to do it for yourself. You have to do it for yourself. See, our whole life pretty much, they're telling us the Messiah was named Jesus. Okay, but was he really? People say he was the first Christian. Was he really? Was he really? I've said this many times. Messiah died 300 years before Christianity was what it became. Okay, and the letter J is less than 500 years old. That's just some clues. Those are just some things to think about. So it went from Greek. So it went from Hebrew, okay, YAHUSHA, becoming Isis in Greek. Okay, some people be like, oh, they could not keep the name of, they didn't have the letters to keep the vowels and all these things. That is a lie, or that's ignorance. Okay, you're just repeating what you heard. You are just repeating what you heard. Stop repeating the things that you heard unless you've looked into it for yourself. And if you look into it, come in with the eyes that, come in like you know nothing. Okay, come in like, okay, I don't know anything. I do not know anything. I'm coming into this with my mind open. Okay, I pray for it. Sorry, pray for it for the Father to show you the truth. You're gonna have to want to see the truth. The truth does not need marketing. You get what I'm saying? The truth does not need marketing. You see, the name Jesus is everywhere. Hollywood, the demons, these people, they say, look, Yahusha, no demon can say that name. Yahuah, no demon can say that name. See, God is not a name. And Yahweh is incorrect. Okay? I am that I am. I am that I am. And the Messiah said, I came in my Father's name and ye received me not. I came in my Father's name and ye received me not. What's the Father's name? Yahuwah. And in his name, there's a Father's name. Okay? Yahusha, it means Yah is salvation. We've talked about this. We're going to talk about this forever. And then, although we're going to talk about this forever, people are still going to deny. Okay? People are going to deny, because the moment you realize that the name Jesus is not what you think it is, by the way, it does not mean anything. Okay? It does not mean a thing for anybody out there. All right? So I got another video coming out for this. I'm probably gonna, like I said, I'm gonna be making so many videos about this, because this, like, it is one of the most largest topics in the world that need some debunking. Again, the goal is not to convince everybody, but the goal is to spread the truth. And those that have ears, let them hear. You get what I'm saying? We all have ears, but do we all hear? You get what I'm saying? What do you guys think about this, man? You can comment below, you can like, you can subscribe, you can dislike, you can do whatever you want to do. Don't care. All right? Be back again. Make sure to get yourself the sefer. Okay? Baruch Yahuwah. In the name of Yahusha. You get what I'm saying? So, I'm going to catch you guys next time again. Thank you. Shout out to that man. Shout out to him. What is this? His channel right here? Well, I got to make a video with this guy someday. If this is his channel, I gotta connect with this guy one way or another. Yeah. This is MMR YAHU. Truth over tradition. Covenant never dies. Yeah.
So Jesus is not who you think he is. Now, what does that do for most people? It immediately brings shock, because we've been taught for so many years, whether you are a, quote, Christian or you're of another religion, people have given homage to this name of this person that they call Jesus. The question is that really who you think he is? Is it that you think that a person named Jesus is the savior of the world? And I'm going to present to you today, having an incredible amount of empathy, but also an incredible amount of responsibility.